So, welcome, Monica. We are so happy today to have you here, to have your success story in front of all our audiences. So, let me introduce you first, Monica Dubey, the business manifestation coach. We would like you to tell our audiences how coming into the Sona Mini Abundance Academy, your business and your life changed. Over to you.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for having me on your talk show. And yes, Sonam and Mini, you have actually really changed my life. And I'm saying it from my heart because when I started my journey, I mean, though I had learned all the kind of modalities, like I knew law of attraction, Ho'oponopono, inner child healing, and I was also doing cord cutting from some places, like, here and there. But the desired results I was not getting. And there was a time when I was for all my courses were ready, but even just to make 3,000 rupees or 3,500 rupees was so difficult for me. It was like I had to go to talk to people so many times. And whenever people, even if they registered for it, they used to sometimes ask for the refund, or they used to ask for the, discounts, give me 50% discount, even on such a small this one. And the limit was crossed when people started giving me 50% of 3,500, and for that also they started asking the refund. And I was like, enough is enough, I'm going to leave this and I will go back to the job. I will search a job and I will start doing a job. It's better than that. But I was like just sitting and thinking, okay, let me try again and do something more. Then suddenly I came across Sonam's message. I think she had sent me a message. And I knew Sonam for a very long time. She was my friend and I knew her from a very long time. And then we didn't speak much. She just told me there's a webinar we are conducting, just come for it. And I was already sold. I was like, okay, anyways, I'm going to buy this because
I
whatever.
still remember, Monica, you were sitting in one corner like crying
Yeah,
face, and I was constantly looking at you. But your receptivity, your way of interacting within the webinar was so
too much.
inviting that
Yeah.
yes, you are
I
ready
was
to,
fully sold.
invest in you.
Yeah, I was already sold. I was like, okay, anyways, I have come here, so this is my last chance. I'm going to give myself a
Mhm.
last chance. इसके बाद और कुछ नहीं करूँगी. I said, okay, now let me throw myself in this one, and maybe God had better plans for me, because the same client who didn't pay me like 1,500 also properly, जो उसने refund ले लिया था, just I think it was hardly 5 to 6 days or maybe 15 days भी नहीं हुआ था. Again she came back to me with a problem, and by the time I got attuned and I had learned more modalities from you, like cord cutting में थोड़ा और आगे चली गई थी. I was like, this time I'm going to, मतलब on the bull size, मैंने 55,555 एक झटके में बोल दिया. And I thought कि पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, and for my surprise the money came in bulk. मतलब पूरा पैसा एक
Wonderful.
बार में आ गया, which was a lot more money.
What made you pitch this big amount to her even when she was not able
हाँ,
to pay
राइट. तो क्या
small
होता था कि
previously?
in your session somewhere Sonam told कि it's not necessary for us to charge a very less amount because other coaches are also charging. And I was like, yeah, ये point सही पकड़ा है सोनम ने, इसको मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. And then the next day I think you taught a technique called RFTA. You won't believe I.
Heart happy, yes.
हाँ, राइट. RFTA. और मैंने पूरी रात RFTA की प्रैक्टिस करी. मैंने बोला अगली
Beautiful.
क्लाइंट मेरा फिफ्टी फाइव
RTFA.
थाउजेंड 555 वाला ही हो,
Mm-hmm.
चाहे कोई हो, कहाँ से हो, कहीं से भी आए. एंड आई प्रैक्टिस्ड इट लाइक क्रेजी. एंड द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट द क्लाइंट के, मैंने 55,555 ही बोला. उसके बाद
Wonderful.
या कंटिन्यूअसली आई गॉट 3 क्लाइंट्स, मतलब फॉर होम आई सोल्ड दिस सेम प्राइस. एंड यू
Mm-hmm.
वोंट बिलीव, मतलब मेरे आंखों से आंसू आ गए कि जहाँ पे मेरे को लोग 3,500 रुपीज के लिए तरसा देते थे, अब जबकि मेरी कॉर्पोरेट में सैलरी अराउंड 50 to 60,000 थी, विच वॉज अ गुड अमाउंट इन अराउंड 2015. तो उतना अमाउंट अच्छा था मेरे लिए. बट हियर आई वॉज नॉट इवन एबल टू मेक 3,500 रुपीज, जो कि मतलब बहुत, आई यूज्ड टू फील पिटी फॉर माई सेल्फ.
And Monica, did you feel difference in the kind of transformation, in the kind of results now
Yes.
you were creating?
Yes, definitely. क्योंकि I am not only, and it was not only by fluke, month on month I'm generating that income. द
Wow.
फर्स्ट मंथ इट शॉट अप टू 55,000, फिर उसके बाद 1.5 लाख हुआ, फिर उसके बाद 2 लाख भी मैंने क्रॉस कर लिया. एंड मोर देन दैट, I am getting deals which I'm cracking. Every now and then I'm cracking the deals.
Wonderful.
So yeah, though the money comes later, but I have already cracked the deals, and my sessions are already booked for May, June, July तक मेरे sessions booked हैं. And
अरे
Wow.
वाह,
yeah,
वंडरफुल.
right, yes, and right now I'm giving people time कि मैं इसके बाद ही कर सकती हूँ. Like November तक I'm fully booked. तो
Fully
if
booked. I'm
yeah.
a fully booked coach is now working for you.
Yes.
या अगर वन ऑन वन चाहिए तो आई एम फुल्ली बुक. इफ यू वांट टू कम फॉर माय ग्रुप सेशंस, देयर यू कैन ज्वाइन. तो अब मेरे पास
Wow.
दोनों ऑप्शंस हो गए हैं. आई एम टेकिंग ग्रुप सेशंस आल्सो एंड वन ऑन वन आल्सो.
Awesome.
Money is coming from everywhere, and this is the
Super.
biggest result, because my main aim was to come to Sonam was to generate income only. This was my only point, क्योंकि मेरे पास कोर्सेज रेडी थे, रिकॉर्डेड थे, मैं वेबिनार्स कर रही थी, हर कुछ कर रही थी. एंड आई यूज्ड टू फील सो बर्न्ट आउट कि लोग मुझे 3,000 5,000 दे रहे. दैट वाज नॉट विच व्हाट आई वांटेड. और मैं जब भी किसी कोचेस के पास जाती थी
Because you were underselling.
या
Because you
Yes.
were underselling.
हाँ, आई वॉज अंडर सेलिंग. एंड क्योंकि जब भी मैं किसी भी कोचेस के पास जाती थी, वो हमेशा 4,999 वाला ही पॉइंट बताते थे. आई वाज लाइक, मैं इतने कर ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि मेरे से हो ही नहीं रहा है. मतलब मैं 4,999 में
Yeah.
एक महीना भी करूँ तो आई एम फीलिंग बर्नड आउट. मेरे मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. एंड आई
Exactly.
रिजेक्टेड so many
Wonderful.
clients. Yeah. And
And
when I
Monica, sorry to cut you in between, but how much did you close, at your premium price after joining us? Like, what is the highest amount you have closed so
वो
far into your
मैं
one-to-one
बता नहीं
journey?
सकती. मैंने अपना एक कोर्स 2.5 lakhs का भी बेचा है.
Oh,
Super.
awesome.
Super.
Yeah. I have sold my courses even at 2.5 lakhs. हाफ से ज्यादा मनी आ
Awesome
चुका है.
scale up.
Yes, I have got more than half
And
of
what are your
it.
plans for now, next 6 months, as you told us that you are fully booked till June? So what are your targets now?
I want to achieve at least 20 to 30 lakhs का इनकम फुल ईयर के लिए मैं कोशिश करूंगी. इट कैन गो
Super.
मोर देन दैट. मैंने ऐसा कोई खास प्रोजेक्शन तो किया नहीं है,
It
बट
is very
एटलीस्ट
much achievable. It is
हाँ.
very much achievable considering the
Supremely
point you are
easily
at.
achievable. Yes,
Yes,
what you are targeting.
So I want
100%.
to see that kind of money this year at least. मतलब before 25, और मतलब पूरे because as Sonam keeps telling कि always take a 3 month का target. So that's how I'm planning, क्योंकि
Yes.
1 month becomes very short and 1 year becomes
Yes.
too huge. तो मैं
Too
हमेशा
big.
3 महीने का गोल लेके चलती हूँ. And that gives me ample of time to create my courses, launch something new, to talk to people. तो mind भी relax रहता है. And this way I'm generating a lot of I'm closing a lot of deals. So अभी मेरा
Great. So
Super.
you have done a real good work when it comes to money, but what other transformation you have seen in your life, relations, career, or maybe your personal
relation
self?
yes, relation wise I see a lot of changes in myself, like with my parents and
Hmm.
with my siblings. See, actually, मुझे ये पता नहीं था, but there was a point when I was actually a people pleaser. हर बात के लिए हाँ हाँ करती रहती थी, और हर बात के लिए क्रैंकी हो जाती थी. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो रो भी देती थी. आई वाज लाइक अ वेरी क्रैंकी चाइल्ड. मतलब बहुत ज्यादा क्रैंकी थी. कोई भी कुछ
You
भी
were
बोल.
taking the things in
यस यस,
person,
आई वॉज टेकिंग इट
defensive.
ऑल. सब कुछ मेरे ऊपर इफेक्ट होता था. बट द कॉर्ड कटिंग हैज हेल्प मी टू कट थिंग्स सो ब्यूटिफुली. लाइक अभी क्या होता है कि जैसे ही कोई कुछ बोलने की कोशिश करता है, और आई फील कि दे आर गोइंग टू डंप देयर एनर्जी ऑन मी, आई इमीडिएटली कट इट. इनफैक्ट आई एम कटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इवन विद माई क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो नाउ डेज. क्योंकि समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि हीलर्स, एज अ हीलर, वो हम पे बहुत सारी एनर्जी डंपिंग करते हैं. यू नो दे गिव अस अ लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिव फीडबैक या बातें बताते हैं, तो दैट अफेक्ट्स अस. तो आई एम डूइंग दैट ऑल्सो. एंड जितना कॉर्ड कटिंग हो
What
सकता है.
other than cord cutting in our community did you get that
आई
helped
गॉट अ
you in your
लॉट.
personal and professional life?
सी आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे बिजनेस के बहुत सारे आइडियाज पता चले. सी, आई मीन, आई वुड टेल पीपल, इफ somebody really wants to be a healer and become a business woman, they should come here. क्योंकि you're not only creating healers, you are also creating business women. And this was a huge identity shift in me. क्योंकि जब मैंने अपनी वो, because I came from a corporate like you guys, है ना, तो मैं भी पहले जॉब में थी. एंड वो एक जॉब वाली मेंटालिटी बहुत अलग होती है, और एक बिजनेस वुमन की आइडेंटिटी और मेंटालिटी में बहुत फर्क होता है. एंड आई वॉज डूइंग माई बिजनेस फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट बिजनेस आइडेंटिटी मैंने अब जाके क्रिएट करी विद द हेल्प ऑफ यू एंड सोनम, यू नो, एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट कि आई एम द सीईओ ऑफ माई बिजनेस, मगर उसके लिए वो जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए वो मेरे पास नहीं थे, you know, so those ingredients actually came from
Beautiful.
her, and now I'm really
Affirmations
feeling
alone do not work. You
exactly.
Identity.
exactly actually,
Yes.
implemented here.
Yeah, I
The actual
implemented
real
it.
work that
Yes,
goes
the
beneath.
implementation
Actually,
is
people
key.
do so much of energy work ना 80% उसी पे लग जाते हैं. They miss the most important part, 20% strategy. So
Yeah,
that's what I always tell my people, that if you have done that 20% work, then this 80% of energy work will bring you that results which you won't even have imagined. But
yes.
people keep on doing everything in the energy field, but वो actions लेना ही भूल जाते हैं.
Actions लेना
ये
भूल जाते हैं.
True.
Yes,
real
and
plan, वो
yes, and
masculine वाला
And
part miss
Monica,
कर.
we also want you to tell our audience one thing why somebody should join Sona Mini Academy.
I mean,
One
I will
thing
not
that
say
you would
one thing. I can
really want to
say
insist on.
1,000 things why they should join you. First of all, you guys are super amazing. I mean, if somebody really see, this coach is not for क्या बोलते हैं weak-hearted people. First of all, you will have to take massive actions, which Sonam and Mini will anyways going to make you do that. Then second of it, if you really want to shift your identity, you will not only become a healer, you will become a businesswoman. You will start thinking like a businesswoman. क्योंकि after coming here, I started. See, I was an MBA from finance background from Symbiosis. मगर मुझे वो profitability, credibility का ना
Absolutely.
formula ढंग से समझ में नहीं आया था. When I came here, then I realized, you know, and this formula I'm just working on, which I mean the one which you have told us, and it's absolutely gorgeous. मतलब इतना beautifully work करता है, and it's giving me results. Okay, because there was a time when I was charging, like I have put a story also on Instagram कि जहाँ पे एक टाइम था जब मैं per session 100 रुपीज चार्ज करती थी, और वो भी लोग मुझे ढंग से नहीं पे करते थे. Now people are ready to pay me 10,000 rupees per session and I'm fully booked. So that
Wow.
happened only because I realized my worth कि मेरे पास इतनी सारी चीजें हैं वर्ल्ड को देने के लिए, and let me put a right price to it, which I
Yes.
came to know here
When
only.
you start valuing your work, your words,
Exactly.
right people start finding you. Thank
Yes.
you so much, Monica.
And एक
Thank
और
you
चीज,
for bringing this up.
Yes.
yeah, and one more thing I came to know here, that you don't always have to be working 24/7. Hustle मतलब
Yes.
बहुत ज्यादा hustle करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need to have your energy in the right place, and you need to have your strategies in the right place. And now I'm working much lesser than what I used to work earlier, and I'm getting good results. In fact, massive results.
Bravo.
बहुत सारे
Awesome. And last thing to ask you, how about the accountability part? How did you feel about the accountability with us?
accountability part is awesome because I feel कि I have attended बहुत सारे कोचेस के, मैंने बहुत बड़े बड़े कोचेस के जहाँ पे 10 लाख 20 लाख देके भी हमने सीखा है. आई हैव अटेंडेड दोज कोर्सेज ऑल्सो. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो अकाउंटेबिलिटी या पैरामीटर है वो बहुत ही अलग है, एंड इट्स बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं डिफाइंड है, और बहुत ही रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड है. दैट इज द मेन थिंग बिकॉज आई सी यू पीपल, मतलब मैंने कभी कभी ऐसे भी देखा है इस ग्रुप में कि यू आर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ हेड ऑफ एवरीबडी की, मतलब रिजल्ट्स लाने ही लाने हैं, तो विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, मतलब इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वे कि लोगों को रिजल्ट्स, यू आर ऑलवेज बिहाइंड देम कि रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं ना, यू आर मेकिंग श्योर, विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग.
मोनिका लिटरली हमने भी ऐसे कोचेस के साथ काम करके देखा है, दे जस्ट टेक द मनी एंड दे वैनिश. दे नेवर आस्क यू कि
या
डेडलाइन आ रही है, आपको ये खत्म करना है, ये फिर एंड देन व्हेन यू गो टू देम एंड दे से योर पीरियड इज ओवर.
एग्जैक्टली.
And we literally feel that pain. We are not saying to be lenient or to be something कि उन्हीं लोगों को करो जो खुद एक्शन लेना जानते हैं, बट स्टिल इफ अगर आपने किसी से पैसे लिए हैं, इफ यू आर सर्विंग समबडी, तो एक वो लीडर की, एक मेंटर की ये एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट यू
यस.
मस्ट परस्यू योर स्टूडेंट कि वो कहाँ पर है, कौन सी रेजिस्टेंस उनको स्टॉप कर रही है. वो पेन के चलते वी लिटरली पुट दिस इनटू आवर all the programs कि we will not let you on your own 100%. So वो कोडिपेंडेंसी खत्म तो करेंगे, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी रहेगी कि सो दैट
अकाउंटेबिलिटी.
यू डू नॉट,
या
कि आप बिल्कुल ही वो उसमें
दैट्स
नॉन एक्शन में मत चले जाओ कि अब ये है तो ये कर लेंगे,
हाँ
करवा लेंगे.
मतलब एग्जैक्टली दैट आई टोटली एग्री. यू आर ऑलवेज चेकिंग ऑन पीपल कि ये किया कि नहीं किया, एंड यू नो, तो दैट वे आई एम 100%, मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि जो जितना मैंने पे किया है गॉट 1,000 times of it, because it's not only in my business. मेरी personality में भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुधार भी आया है and changes भी आए हैं. So I would definitely, in fact, every woman should learn this, especially married women and the women who are working, or if she's a businesswoman. Why? Because आज के ज़माने में there are many things that we get affected by, and if you don't know cord cutting, so you will not be able to keep yourself in a balanced way. Energy work बहुत ज़रूरी है सबके लिए.
So most of your energy gets leaked to the
Exactly.
unnecessary things, which you can utilize in
Utilize.
creating money, in your career, in whatever you want to create.
Right.
Beautiful. So happy
That was
and love
amazing
the
to
way
see so big results.
yeah,
Thank
thank you
Yes.
so much, Monica. The way you presented and tried to encapsulate everything in as short as possible. And looking forward to much greater results with you and many more people who will be inspired by listening to this. Thank you so much once again. Lots of love.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
Monica.
Thank you, and all the best for all your future coming endeavors. And I'm always there to join all your courses.
The feelings are
Thank you
mutual.
so
Thank
much.
you. Lots of love.